Hi there, I'm Chef Bugsy and this is Get Veganized. Get Veganized is a vegan baking and cooking channel where I take your carnivorous recipes and turn them into your favorite vegan recipes. Before we get started, I'd like to remind you to subscribe, like, and comment. Tell me where you're coming from below. All right, let's get started on today's recipe. Orange sauce over steamed tempeh and brown rice with broccoli. That's what we'll be making today. Alrighty, here goes our quick and easy orange sauce that I'm going to pour over top of some steamed tempeh. First thing we add is the orange juice. Next thing we add is the vinegar and the soy sauce. And we have some crushed red peppers. Here we have some minced ginger and some minced garlic. Some white and brown sugar. Now we're going to put this onto medium heat. Stir it up. You want to stir it until the sugar gets dissolved. To this mixture, I'm going to add some sesame oil. And also some arrowroot and some water to thicken it up. Now we're going to stir this until it thickens. I halved the recipe because I only need a little of the sauce, but in the details below, I will do the full recipe. This really smells authentic. Okay, it's starting to bubble and thicken up. A couple more minutes and we'll be good to go. You can really smell the orange in this sauce now. Now for a taste. See if it's missing anything. That's perfect. All right, I'm going to get the sauce onto the steamed tempeh, and I will show you the finished product. Here's the finished product. Steamed tempeh over rice with the Asian orange sauce and broccoli. I hope you enjoy this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Hey, you!